And welcome back. John Schaefer joins us now for this week's Dollars and Cents segment, sponsored by the Resource Center. And good to see you again.
Good to see you again, both of you.
I'm excited about the tips you have for us.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Tips that everybody needs right around now.
Yeah, hot summer tips.
That's right. That's what we're getting into. We got a few slides too. We'll be coming through here, but
All right.
just some great saving tips. As you see here, we're trying to save some gas for
yes,
this
we
time of
are.
year with all the gas prices, and of course saving money. And then we're going to do it with insurance too. Some money saving tips. So the biggest thing I think with gas is, especially your cars, is making sure that your tires are properly inflated. So a lot of times you got a low tire, that's not good. You burn more gas mileage that way. Also changing your filters in your car, that really helps because it helps your car to breathe better gas mileage.
We do better when we breathe better. So does the car.
That's right. That's right. So another thing is checking that gas cap. A lot of times it'll throw an error code up, but people put their gas caps when they're loose. That lets air in the system. So one thing is making sure to check that.
I never thought about that being a problem.
There are some very simple things, but you have to know.
Right, just simple things. And then another thing too is like when you're at stoplights, don't be trying to race the guy next to you. So a lot of times,
Tom, yeah.
So,
Oh yeah, and my little four-cylinder.
Yeah,
you're right.
So just keep that gas, your gas pedal just gradually and go in different places. And whenever you've got to stop for long periods of time, maybe shut your car off where it's not idling, burning that gas.
Now, when you say equally inflated, does it really make a difference if you're not balanced out? Right?
Yes, because your car could be off center. So you think of a wheel turning, and if this wheel is more flat and this one's more round, then it takes more power for your car to turn that over. So yeah,
I can see that.
Equally inflated.
And those are things that everybody can do.
Yeah, anybody can do it.
Right. Now, you also mentioned insurance. There are ways to save money when it comes to your auto.
So we've got some insurance saving tips. So the biggest thing is, like, if you only drive your car maybe 3,000 to 5,000 miles a year, and a lot of times if you work at home now, since COVID, a lot of people work at home, you don't drive your car much, really talk to your insurance agent and say, hey, I work at home now. I may only use my car on the weekends. So we do have limited use discounts.
That's really
under
still a thing.
5,000
I think I remember that being a thing, but I didn't realize it still was.
So yeah, and some people like, hey, I only drive that car 2,000 or 3,000 miles. Or if you own 3 cars, maybe you don't drive that one car as much.
Yeah.
That's a really good point.
Is average about 10, 12,000 miles a year now?
Yeah, it's about right around there.
In that ballpark.
Yeah. Unless you're me, and I probably drive 30. But
well, that's part of it. Yeah, exactly.
No. But also, like electric cars, a big thing is if you're thinking about buying an electric car, make sure to reach out to your insurance agent. They really fluctuate in price, and you may not be saving money by buying an electric car.
Really?
So it could cost you more money. The deal is with the electric car, they're more expensive to insure because of the batteries and the other features. Like a lot of them have a lot of electrical equipment.
The upkeep on that.
Right. If you wreck it, like how long is it going to take? I got a friend of mine that got a Tesla, and it was in the shop for 3 months because someone hit it.
Wow.
Now, I know another way that we've heard of for a while. It's the idea of putting your different types of insurance into one group.
Right, correct. So bundling, it can actually save you money. So if you've got your homeowners over here in this, with this insurance company, you got your auto with this insurance company, it's better to group them together. Sometimes it can save you anywhere from $100 to $400 a year by bundling your home and your auto together. So it's really great to reach out to your insurance agent. The days of having an online insurance over here, and I got my own personal agent over here. Really trying to group that home, auto, boat, your umbrella, all that stuff together because you get multiple little discounts on each one.
And that's pretty well industry standard.
Yeah,
to do
industry
that?
standard. Yep, correct.
And is it something to discuss with your agent as to how you use these different things?
Correct. Yeah, like we talked about the cars and limited use. Your boat, you're probably going to use a lot during the summer, but now motorcycles, for example, you can actually do a layup period if you're not driving those. So we have companies where you just lay them up, put comprehensive only in case they get stolen or a house fire.
Oh, like during the winter or something.
During the winter, correct.
Boat.
Yeah, if you're not driving it. So
I see.
I would say maybe same thing for the boat. You're not going to take.
I know, yeah, but they don't have layups for the boat. I wish.
Unfortunately.
I know. I haven't seen it yet. So there's other things you can do, which is really with the new age and industries, the money saving tips is there's a lot of Gas Buddy apps that are out there to really look at your different gas stations. One thing you can do is Google cheap gas around me. So I've done that before, like who's
Yep.
got the best rates.
Are these apps like specific to a certain kind of station, like a brand of station?
No, they're
for the
basically
state?
just individual apps. And like
Okay.
what I think the Gas Buddy, you actually get paid, you know, to use it because it's kind of like their marketing strategy because you're using it and you record it, and certain gas stations pay them back. So,
Yeah.
you know, one thing you do is join a rewards program like Come and Go is really good. Hy-Vee about giving you cash off, you know, so much per gallon.
Right.
Your Sam's and Costco discounts. You know, I've got a Sam's card and a Costco, and I mean, I'll
You
run
can
to
save
Costco,
some
get
money.
some
You really
cheaper,
can.
yeah,
Yeah.
to get the gas a
Absolutely.
little bit savings. So, really, just some great tips to save you some money.
All right.
That's great.
There's how you can get in touch, of
Yep.
course, with the Resource Center. You can visit John at his website, resourcecenterinc.com, or give him a call at 417-882-1800. John, always good to see you.
Good to see you guys too. Yeah, don't forget, we've actually got a financial planning that we do there, and we've got an estate planning workshop tonight too there.
All right.
All right, give him a call. Give him a call. These are worth your time. Thanks, John.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.